So I'm on the boat getting my lumber for my decking and the and the art hut. And I'm loading with everyone else who's helping to load all the lumber and all the cargo that goes on the boat for all of us here out in the island. And this kid is helping me. And I'm pulling something somewhere. I can't remember what. And I got my gloves on. And you can see they're well used, which would be my skin if it weren't for the gloves. And the kid says, "Oh, here, let me get that. Gloves get in the way." And I mean, he's really young kid. And so I didn't say anything just because I know what it's like to be that age and to parrot what my peers think rather than thinking for myself. And I thought for a long while about what he'd said, that the gloves get in the way. And I thought, you know what? He's right. That statement is correct. It does. It gets in the way. Gloves get in the way. Gloves get in the way of my ego and the job. Gloves get in the way between my self-righteousness and the job. Gloves get in the way between my stupidity and the job. Gloves get in the way of my ignorance and the job. Because anytime I'm willing to sacrifice my gorgeous hands that do incredible things for me, then I'm worried about what other people think. I don't care what you think. Not concerned about that, clearly. But if I'm unwilling to protect these hands that do so much greatness for me, then what else am I willing to sacrifice? What else am I willing to put up for grabs for anyone to take? Take a stab at that. Go ahead, rip it, tear it to pieces. Do whatever you need to do. I'm just gonna abandon my hands. Not gonna happen. So, I just thought I would pass that on to you. Those of you out there doing your own work, wear gloves. Treat your hands like nobility. They do incredible things for you. Incredible things you don't even understand. Did you see how quickly my hands just work? I don't even have to tell them, oh, hold on to this or do that or steady this or squeeze that. This much pressure, that much pressure, no pressure, let go, clamp. I don't have to tell them to do anything. They even just work. They work along with my words. It's fantastic. So treat your hands like they do something for you. Treat them like they're gold. Treat them like the nobility they are. You will never get another pair of hands. Not ones that are yours. Not ones that work so well. Be very kind to your hands. Namaste. Love that body.